This is Johnny Ceviche, another demonstration on how I fish. Here's my bait, see that? And a 2-aught hook. I pin the bait on the nose, like so, and send him off. That's it, right there, straight on the nose, and let him go. There you go. And let him swim, oh, say 30-40 feet. It should do it. If there's any kind of fish down there, they won't be able to resist the temptation in hitting it. Set the clicker there, test the drag. There you go, that's good, right there. There's a bait ball getting pushed up to the surface, and I've been stalking it for the past few minutes, and I seem not to be able to keep up with it. It's always a few yards ahead of me. My bait is so nervous. So there's gotta be something big stalking at the bottom. Oh well, after a long sleigh ride My line finally broke off. Now I got about long paddle home.